Hey everyone, this is question 2022 from the June 2024 paper 1. So let's get right into it. They're asking us to draw the graph of y equals sine x. Really easy question here if you know the general shapes of all of them. So for sine x we know is like this. So first of all, let's write our limits of 1 and minus 1. And then to start plotting your points, we have 0, 0, 90 and 1, 180 and 0, 270 and minus 1, 360 and 0, and just dot to dot. Like so, fine, that's the first 2 marks done. Next one, solve this equation. So every time we're given a question like this, let's get sine x on its own. So divide both sides by 2. We have sine x equals minus 1 over 2. Looking at the graph that we've just drawn, we can see, say, minus 1 over 2 is about here. We actually have 2 values, so we know we're looking for 2 values. You should know what this value is, but if you can't remember, at least remember what sine of x, when sine of x equals a half. So sine of x equals a half, x equals 30. This is helpful because 1 over half here, we know this is 30. So we know it's going to be 30 points away from when it's 0, if that makes sense. So when it's 180, at this point it would be 30 away from here. So it would be 180 plus 30, which is equal to 210. And the same for this one. Over here, 30 away from here, but obviously minusing it, so it would be 330. And obviously there are infinite values if you carry on the graph, but there's only asking for this range, so that's your answer. Done. Where you get your marks, well, obviously just for drawing the graph, and then for doing your limits. And then for part 2, you get your first mark for one and the second one.